Hi, and welcome to Neodoesmakeup. I'm Neo, and today for Heartstopper Week we have Alice. So Alice Oseman is the creator of Heartstopper, also author of several different novels, novellas, and I can truly say that they are quickly becoming one of my favorites to enjoy. I still need to read most of her novellas because I know they're supposed to be like a very interconnected oseman-verse, and I want to read them. I've only read the first four books from Heartstopper, and there's so much that I want to say thank you. You're showing representation in a very good way. You are making it feel authentic and not forced, and you're making these characters just alive. I read Heartstopper, and again, I've said it a few times, I just see my relationship. Like, I see the happiness, I see the joy, I feel the emotions fully. And it just makes me so happy to see that there's someone out there thinking about these stories and wanting to bring them to light. So again, thank you. I know this is very, very loud. Originally I was going to use different palettes, but then I switched my mind and then I kind of regretted it, but I actually do like how this looks. I feel like I can redo this with a different color palette and get better results. Like if I kept them more like combined, whereas like if I use like green and blue, I feel like that'd be a better combination versus orange and blue, because you can see like down here they were having some issues blending together under the eye. But I feel like I made it work. Like I made it work. I made it work. But for Alice, when I was thinking up looks for all this, my idea was orange, teal, and I think I said a pop of purple, and I didn't even do that. But the reason for those two colors is that whenever I see pictures of Alice, I see that she has her natural hair color, which is very bright, almost orangey, and most of the time there's some teal or blue, and for that I'm like, that's staple Alice, that's what we're going to focus on. And I feel like I got most of it. These blues blended out to be a lot more true blue than actual teal, but I'm okay with it because overall I still really enjoy this look. And if you want to see how I create this, then keep on watching. Again, Alice, thank you. Okay, so let's get started. So today I did already prime and set my primer, and we're going to be using the Morphe and Mickey and Friends. This is the Truth Be Bold palette. And truth be told, I'm very nervous for this look. I've been nervous for a lot of the looks I've done for this series, but this one for some reason I'm like, ah. There's like a lot of pressure I feel. And yeah, so first thing I'm going to take is going to actually be on the dot, which is this darker, warmer orange. And I'm going to actually place that towards the center, the inner third of the eye, and kind of bring it up a little bit. We're not going to bring it all the way out, but we're going to keep it like higher in the crease, since we are going to cut it. So just like that. I am going to do one eye at a time because I've been having issues when I try to do both at the same. But now we can continue on. I'm going to take a more fluffy blending brush. I'm going to dip into the shade just above it, which is So Fearless. I use that to blend out on the dot. But we're going to continue on. I'm now going to dip into Head Out, which is this nice, like, very pale yellow, and place that just on top of So Fearless so we have a softer blend. I like where that's heading. I'm going to do that on this side real quickly, then we're going to worry about, then we're going to finish with this side first. I'm going to take my tried and true Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit and Camelback. I'm going to use that real quickly just to reshape this area here so we have a nice defined crease. Okay, now that this side is all good, we're going to take care of the wing. I'm going to start with Major Edge, which is this nice deeper teal. It's okay, she's looking a little funky. We're now going to take Total Rebel, which is more of a little bit green, and use that to slightly blend that out, just more smoking it, really. Now we're going to dip slightly into Instigator as well as Street Beats, so we get some more. Actually, no, we're just going to dip into Street Beats for that bluer undertone to come back out. I didn't even realize it stopped recording. I'm going to real quickly reshape that liner using that same liquid eyeshadow. So let me give it a try. So we then had that like sharper line to it. I'm also going to set her up with her music because she's a little crazy right now. So the shape is right except for like this lower portion. I'm going to real quickly actually do this on this side before I take this side off, and we'll be back because then we're going to get the actual idea right this time. Okay, this side came out so much better. Only thing I'm thinking is that I do want something on the crease, like on the lid. I'm thinking this is Mystic by ColourPop. You know what? We're going to leave this blank until we get to the inner corner. I'm going to now have to redo this on this eye again. And then we're going to be back with a full face on, because I'm also going to do liner. No, not liner. I'm going to do lashes, mascara, full face. I'll be right back. And we're back. I am like feeling it today. Ignore the red hairs. I know I'm going to take this off like right after I do this so I can edit this and upload it today. Hi, yeah, if this is going up on Saturday, that's because I literally filmed it today and edited it today. Hopefully you laughed at the bin, because that one made me laugh. Yeah, we're going to take care of the under eye. We're going to take mostly the blues through halfway in the same direction, then we're going to take the orange in the final part. So, same exact colors. Okay, now that we have all that drama on, we're going to neutralize this by now adding Own It, which is this nice like champagne like color on the inner corner on top of what I have right here. Okay, I'm going to do the same on this eye. Then I'm also going to run my eyeliner, which is from Melt. I don't know where it disappeared to, but I'm going to find it. I'm going to add it in the waterline. And I also realized I forgot to do my brows, so I'm going to do that real quickly. I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. The eyes are ready. Then we're going to move on to lips. I don't know where I put the lipstick. I think we're going to use this. This is Take a Pixie from ColourPop. But before I use that, I'm going to line real quickly using Cocoa from NYX. I like this color. Okay, I'm going to set my face and I'll be right back. Okay, and here we are with the final look. I'll be honest, this turned out very different from what I originally had planned. I forgot I was going to use a different palette originally. Oh, I forgot to mention, this is the Kevin Aquan Kaleidochrome All Over Highlight Palette. I used this on the lid. I used the shade, I believe it was High Watt, which is this nice like gold pink shift. That's what I actually used on the lid. I think it looks really nice. It really just helped to cover up the just like liquid eyeshadow that I had. But I actually I like the shape, I'll be honest. I feel like the colors, I wanted originally more green tones, but you know what, the blues work. I still like this because it's everything I've done has been different for this series except for like the halo eye. That like Nick was like the easiest one of the looks to do. Every other one I've kind of challenged myself, and this one I'm just like, oh, she's different. I do like this though. Again, different colors, this would probably be a lot nicer, but I like this. Again, for Alice, my thought was more along the lines of warmth. Actually, I'll be honest, it's 100% what they wear, because you see Alice, you normally see like green, teal, more orange, and their hair is more naturally orange. You'll see like sometimes she'll have like orange accents. So to me, it was like orange, peach, and teal / blue would be the colors. Again, this blue is a lot lighter than I was expecting. Because originally the teal was there, but it just blended out, and honestly, this eye is just giving me trouble. It's giving me trouble all day. This one's starting to tear up, and I'm like, no. Okay. I actually really do like this. It's very different. Again, this is very different from what I would normally do. I want to redo the shape again, but I'm going to use a different color combination. But I'm also really enjoying that I'm able to experiment with these looks and just have fun with them. Anyway, I need to stop because I do need to edit this so that we can go out today. I am feeling this though. I'm feeling this in a weird way. I like it. I need to start rambling. If you did like this video, please do like, comment, and subscribe. If you like me and want to see more, please subscribe and click that little bell button. Every time I release a new video, you'll get a notification. Aside from that, I hope you have a great rest of your day or night wherever you are, and I'll see you next time. Bye.